by for important weather information.
The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a flood advisory for Muskingum County in east central Ohio until 7:30 a.m. At 3:30 a.m. radar and rain gauges indicate that over 2 inches of rain has fallen in the past 3 hours across portions of Muskingum County. Additional rainfall is expected through the early morning. Rainfall has been heaviest from Gratiot to Russville. Residents along streams and creeks should remain alert for rising creek levels. Do not drive through flooded roadways. A flood advisory means river or stream flows are elevated or ponding of water in urban or other areas is occurring or is imminent. Please report high water to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free at 1-877-633-6772.